Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can change language on ChatGPT application. To do that, what you need to do is open the ChatGPT app and then get logged in into the account first. So ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a AI technology that is built where you can have a natural conversation, a human-like conversation. The language model can respond to questions and any queries that you have. So once you're at this page, you need to go and tap on three horizontal lines on the top right, and from here you need to go and tap on setting. Tap that. In this setting, you need to go tap on main language in the app section. Tap on main language. It will give you the options over here. You can scroll down for the different language that you can use ChatGPT on. So from here, I'm just gonna go and choose a different language. Okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna go back. Now you try having a conversation, or you can ask for the queries on ChatGPT. There you can see the reply has been in a different language that you have just chosen, that is the French. So this is a way how you can easily change language on ChatGPT application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.